Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So we're always trying to round up gas and oil products, which, as you gas and oil collectors know, is getting harder to get and more expensive. However, I did run across this set of KNOX gasoline cookie cutter porcelain signs, the letters. So it was spelled out KNOX, KNOX. These probably came off of a service station somewhere out of Ohio. This is where this gas stations are, is in the city of Ohio. So it said KNOX, and then because, is it Fort Knox? Is it my last name Knox? But it's gasoline, so I built this nice little gasoline sign, which will hang underneath them. So these are 4 inches deep. They're about 36 inches tall, average about 24 inches wide. These are gonna look good in these big man caves like this building. Put them up on the wall. 4 inches deep, nice heavy gauge steel, nice thick porcelain. They all have hangers on the back of these, and this sign has hangers on it. I put it on. Once again, I made this sign because it's gonna look really nice on the wall. The other thing that you could do with these, if you wanted to backlight these, you could put some of that new LED strip in it, space them about 4 inches, and they would backlight beautifully. So they'd be a fairly easy installation. They got all the hangers on them. Kind of hard to get. KNOX gasoline out of Ohio, 4 inch deep, 36 inches tall, and average 24 inches wide. They're ready to go. If you'd like them, we'll just get them packed up, shipped out. We'll figure out this. But anyway, listen, I want to thank all you people for watching our videos. You guys are chiming in on a daily basis. We get lots of good positive feedback. We're happy to do them for you, and you folks are happy for us doing them, and we appreciate you watching them. Anyway, some nice gas and oil stuff here. Thank you so much.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.